Hey there, my name is Caitlin, and in this video, I'm going to take you through some really exciting redesigns on the client profile section of the client web app. So I'm logged in here as a client, and I'm on her client profile, which I access just by clicking My Profile at the very top of the client web app. Within the My Profile screen, there are a number of tabs here along the top that are going to help your clients navigate through various areas of their profile. We did switch up the order of these tabs here a little bit, but don't worry, your clients are still going to be able to access everything that they need. Here on the Overview tab, we have completely redesigned this page to give it a fresh look and feel. So on this page, your clients can see a brief overview here at the top of their personal information or edit their profile if they need to make any changes. They can also see alerts that they may have, as well as rewards points if you're using rewards. Below that is active purchase options. So in this section, clients can see purchase options they have that are currently active. If someone wants to see a list of their entire purchase option history, they can click View All here at the bottom, and they'll be taken to the Passes and Memberships tab within their client profile. From here, they can click on the drop-down menus here at the top to sort by active or inactive status, and then they can also select specific types of purchase options that they want to view the history for. Let's head back to the Overview tab, and I'll scroll down to the bottom. So underneath your active purchase options, the next thing your clients are going to see is the activity section. So this is going to show them a summary of their recent account history, and again, they can go ahead and click on View All for a more detailed view. Clicking on that is going to take them right to the activity tab of their profile. So let's head over to the Edit Profile tab because there are a few changes here. So this is where your clients are going to come if they need to update their contact information or other details that they have on file with you. You can see here on the right that Renee has a relationship with another client of my business. It's her child, Gemma. So I have the business policy display relationships on the client web app and achieve client app enabled in the staff back office. So Renee is able to view and manage her relationships in the system. She can add a new relationship with someone else by clicking on Add Relationship, or she can click the three-dot icon beside someone that she has an existing relationship with to either sign in as that person, or she can go ahead and remove that relationship if she needs to. I also have the business policy allow clients to log in and edit related profiles of the selected relationship types enabled, so Renee is able to sign in as Gemma if she needs to view her information. The final update that I have to show you today is just a quick one, so I'm going to head over to the Notifications tab. And everything on this page still works the same way as it did before, but we did give this page a little bit of a redesign just to freshen everything up. And that covers everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.